Alright guys, this video might be pretty simple for some people, but we're having issues resetting our Google Home and our Google Home Mini. The problem is they don't want to set up right. So what I'm going to have to do is factory hard reset these. And it's really simple to do, but I didn't see a video when I was looking that I really wanted to use, so we'll start with the Google Home. The mic button right here, we're going to hold for 12 to 15 seconds.
You're about to completely reset Google Home. To cancel, release the button.
Countdown clock. And you let it go. Now this one's got a little, can't remember what to call it, factory data or reset switch or something. It's a little button right here. Just hold it 12-15 seconds.
You're about to completely reset Google Home. To cancel, release the button.
And that's done. And we just let them reset. That's all there is to this video, guys. Oops, sorry about the camera. I know this was a really fast video, but I figured why not make a video on it to show some of the people at home how to do it. Thanks for watching.